said he weren't coming back, but he wants to trip up the Humber to Hull now. No. It's very busy. Gotta watch for the big uns. See you at Hull. Good morning, welcome to Hull. You may be wondering what's Davey doing with the cushions in front of him. Well, actually we've made the decision to stay at Hull. So what we're going to do is we're going to spend up to the next 12 months living at Hull now and see what the difference is between living in a marina and living on a river. Not specifically living here, but leaving the boat here. And there's going to be quite a big difference, because living in a marina you're going to be around a lot more people. There's a lot of different environments as well. With this marina you've got a lock that you have to negotiate. You can pen in and pen out of the lock 3 hours either side of high water. So there's going to be a few differences, a lot of learning compared to the river on that aspect. With the coming and going, you get 2 hours either side of high water anyhow, so it's not much different. The only difference will be it'll give me a chance to practice my radio skills as well, because my radio skills are non-existent. I'm terrible on the radio at the minute. So you've got to radio the lockkeeper, ask permission coming in and out. And also we're on the Humber as well, so the Humber's quite a busy shipping area. As you're coming up the Humber, there's VTS channels that you have to monitor all the way up, and what you do is when you're leaving the marina you have to contact the VTS channel, notify them of your travel plans. So for instance, what I'd say is I'm coming from Hull, I'm leaving to the ocean, so you'd let them know which direction of travel, which side of the river you're going to be travelling on. And they also ask, have you got AIS? For me, AIS is not on the bucket list at the minute. It's just too expensive for this kind of boat, and it's so much easier just to keep in contact over the radio. So as you go to cross any channels along the river as well, you contact the VTS and they'll give you information on ships coming and going and if it's safe to cross any shipping lanes. So there's quite a lot of differences, and also over the winter time it'll give me the opportunity to see what the freedoms are compared to going to and from a boatyard as well, because I can imagine, I've not asked the question on this, but the times will be limited for how long you can work on your boat in the boatyard. But the good news is my parents now live half an hour away from here, so I could go and stay with them overnight and come back the morning after, so I'll get a better night's sleep rather than, as we've seen in the past few winters, it's been a bit dramatic with the winds and howling off things, so I'll probably get a better sleep, more energy to come and do stuff on the boat. So we'll let you know all this. By the time this actually goes out, it's going to be probably after Christmas now, so by that point we'll have a lot more information, and we'll show you what the crack is with everything and compare the two. Is it better on the river or is it better in a marina? Who knows, we will see. So I'll catch you all soon guys, and take care, stay safe. you've got more things to negotiate. Thank you for that.